Okay, these are called multi-step or one-step equations. We're just solving for the variable here, the letter. Letter is what a variable is. All right, and if we look at A, what we're going to do is we're going to do the opposite of what everything says. So let me read this. This is not just 3x, it's 3 times x plus 5 equals 12. Well, I want to move over everything that's not touching the letter. So the 5 is not touching the letter. I want to move it over to the other side of the equal sign. Okay, so this is a plus 5. I want to do the opposite of plus, which is subtract. I subtract 5. Now I have to do this to the other side, because whatever you do to one side of the equation, you have to do the other. Okay, and what this does, 5 minus 5 is 0. So now that 5 is gone, and I'm just left with 3x, or 3 times x. 12 minus 5 is 7. Okay, now 3 times x, the opposite of times is divide. So I'm going to divide by 3. I have to divide the other side by 3. All right. The only reason I do this is because on this side it cancels out, and I'm just left with our letter, x. X equals 7 over 3. We can leave it in decimal form, or we'll just leave it in fraction form, and that'll be it. Okay, we look over here at b. 4 times y minus 8 equals 12. Okay, move over everything that's not touching the y. Well, the negative 8 is not touching the y. What's the opposite of minus? The opposite of minus is plus. We add 8 to this side of the equal sign. We have to add 8 to the other side of the equal sign, just so we can cancel this out. So now I have 4y on this side of the equal sign. 12 plus 8 is 20. All right, now 4 times y. What's the opposite of times? It's divide. So we divide by 4 just to cancel out the 4's. I have to divide the 20 by 4 also. So I get y equals 20 divided by 4 is 5. So y equals 5. All right, let's go two more. 5m minus 4 equals 25. Okay, again, here's our m, the letter that we're solving for, 5 times m. But we're going to move over the minus 4 first. We're going to plus 4 because we're adding 4 to both sides. We want that 4 gone. Our goal is to get the letter on one side by itself. So I have 5 times m equals, and negative 25 plus 4 is, if we move it along the number line, basically when you have two that are the opposite signs, a plus and a minus, and you're adding and subtracting, you're basically subtracting them. And whatever the bigger number is, the bigger number is negative, so your answer is going to be negative. So we have a negative 21. All right, and 5 times m, well, we divide by 5 to cancel that out, so I can get the m by itself. I have to divide the other side by 5 too. That does not simplify. Negative 21 over 5 is our answer. Now, if you do the worksheet that I sent along with this, you're not going to get any ugly fractions or decimals like this. Our last one, this is called a one-step equation. See, all these are multi-step or two-step because there's been two steps. This one, there's just one step. It's just 6 times x. The opposite of times is divide. So I want to divide both sides by 6 just to get this canceled and get the x by itself. X equals 12 divided by 6, which is 2. Our one-step equation is x equals 2.